All right, Kim, thank you. A Dane County judge might face discipline after the Wisconsin Judicial Commission claims she broke court rules. Dane County Judge Berz oversees Branch 11. She's served in this position since 2012. She's on the receiving end of the complaint that the commission is asking the Court of Appeals to appoint a 3-judge panel to review. Jarrell Ballard joins us now with a look at the complaint filed nearly 24 hours ago.
Yeah, hey Amber, I have an 8-page complaint here detailing 2 incidences involving Judge Berz. Now, it claims that she did not treat defendants fairly, and at one point, she even left her bench to try and arrest someone who didn't show up for court. The complaint against Judge Berz says she intentionally broke rules that require judges to be fair and ethical, ensuring their actions don't seem biased. In May of 2019, during a hearing, the complaint states Judge Berz had a disagreement with a defendant. She reportedly accused him of trying to delay his trial to avoid being found guilty. The complaint says she warned him, saying she would remember his behavior when making future decisions about his case. She also told the defendant to, quote, go to prison and talk to them about all of the games you can play, end quote. Court records show the defendant was eventually found guilty at trial. Judge Berz is also accused of unethical behavior in 2021 when another defendant didn't show up for trial. The defendant's lawyer said their client was in the hospital, which the complaint states turned out to be true. However, Judge Berz reportedly told the bailiff to go get the defendant, but was told the bailiff would not be able to leave the courthouse. So Judge Berz said she would go get him herself, warning the people in her courtroom that if anything happened to her, they would, quote, hear about it on the news. Ultimately, she left the courtroom with the defendant's attorney, but turned back around after the attorney advised against it. In this incident, the complaint states that Judge Berz should have issued a bench warrant for the missing defendant instead of trying to get him herself. Now, the Wisconsin Judicial Commission did notify Judge Berz of these allegations. She has 45 days to respond. Otherwise, a 3-judge panel will decide what happens next. In the meantime, we reached out to her for a comment, and we're waiting to hear back. Reporting outside the Dane County Courthouse, Jarrell Ballard, 27 News.